Hey guys, Jim Duffy with Alcova Mortgage, and I'm so glad you're part of this expert network, or you found this on YouTube. And today I want to talk about how to be successful buying a home, especially in today's market. It's funny, when the market turns a little bit, sometimes we get buyers who want to dictate how they want things to be done, and I get it. I understand the concept of it, but believe me, it'll be much easier and more successful if you just follow the lender. Recently, I had a home buyer come to a realtor that I work with on a regular basis, a very, very professional real estate agent, and said, I want to see this home. It's about $2 million, right? Near the beach, etc. And I want to go view this. He said, well, are you paying cash or pre-approved? No, I'm going to take out a mortgage, but I'm not pre-approved yet. I just want to see the home. And the realtor said, like every good realtor would say, let's get you pre-approved first. It gives confidence to you, but it also helps your offer get accepted should you decide this is the home for me, right? And the buyer said, no, I'm not going to do that. They showed the home, they wrote the offer. Now it's time to get pre-approved, right? And the offer was accepted, and I was surprised, but it was. And now it's time to get pre-approved. So the home buyer came to me and said, here's what I want. Give me a right quote. Give me all this. And I said, well, I can't. I absolutely can, but I can't until we get a full loan application, because there's multiple things that go into that. And I want to make sure two things. A, you're really pre-approved, and B, that I'm giving you a quote that is real, that I can stand behind. So why don't we do that? With a lot of objections, this particular home buyer agreed. The long and the short of it is, I said, great, you want the least down payment possible. He said, I want 5% down. I said, well, on $2 million, that's not possible. How about 10%, etc. We went back and forth on that. And I said, on jumbo loans, oftentimes you realize that we need reserves, not just the down payment and closing costs, but also somewhere between 12 and 18 months reserves. In your case, with your credit score, it's 18 months. Meaning, what are reserves? Right? Reserves are simply money in the bank that is not brought to closing, just sitting in the bank, that covers your first, in this case, 18 months of payments, of home mortgage payments. So I told him it was 18. He said, I think that's bogus. I'm not going with you. I'm going with a different lender that didn't ask me for 18 months. And I said, well, good luck with that. Come to find out, 2 weeks later, the loan was denied because this particular home buyer didn't have the reserves. He had the down payment, but didn't have reserves, and it is necessary in some cases. So why do I tell you that story? It's kind of an extreme example and a sad example. I really wanted this home buyer to get that home, but he didn't. I just want to lead you to the most successful, easiest path to get into this home possible. My suggestion is follow that path. We want you to be successful, and we're not going to impose things just for the sake of imposing. No lender ever will do that. I know I won't. And we've developed that path very, very well, and we'll lead you along step by step. So if we can help start that process today and lead along a path to successful home ownership and buying that home, I'd love to start with you today. You know how to contact me below. And again, thanks so much for subscribing. Please do subscribe to this channel. There's a lot of experts here. A lot of people can add to your home buying experience and make it richer and more successful.